Welcome back. Till now, we have covered what are Lambda expressions, what are functional interfaces, and how can we use functional interfaces to invoke the Lambda expressions. We have covered a few examples of it. Now, in this video, we will see what are the default methods in interface. Till Java 7, every single method in the interface is public abstract method. That means we can only declare method in interface. We cannot provide their definition in the interface. And every single class implementing that particular interface has to compulsorily provide the implementation for all the methods from that interface. Let's understand these 2 points in the Eclipse. So we will create a class. I will give it a name test. Let's add main method and let me create one interface here. So interface printable. Okay, and I will add one abstract method. So public void hello. Okay, and if my test class implements the printable interface, I have to compulsorily provide implementation for hello method. So you can see the compile time error here, and it says add unimplemented methods from the printable interface. When we hover on it and click the add unimplemented methods, you can see we need to provide implementation for hello method. So if we add multiple methods in the printable, we have to compulsorily provide implementation for all the methods. Let me try adding one more abstract method. So public void and print name. Okay, and I will save. Again, you can see the compile time error. It says add the unimplemented method, and when we click on it, you can see we have to provide implementation for the print name method too. So as soon as we add new methods in the printable interface, we have to compulsorily provide implementation for all the methods in the test class. In real time, as the project improves, we add multiple features in the project, and as soon as a member of the team make changes in the any interface, he has to maintain all the code. He has to provide implementation for this method in all the classes that are implementing that particular interface, and this is really a tedious job. So is there any solution where we can provide directly a definition in the interface itself? Till Java 7, this is not possible. But as we discussed, in Java 8, default method came to our help, and we can provide the concrete methods in the interface itself using the default methods. So let's see. In Java 1.8, along with abstract methods, we can also write concrete methods. These methods are the default methods. I will show you how can we declare default methods. Do not worry about it. And every single class implementing that particular interface has the freedom to provide its own custom implementation, or he can use the one which is default implementation provided in the interface. Let's see these topics in the Eclipse. So this is our printable interface, and this is my test class. Okay, and the print name is a abstract method here. I want to make it a default. So let's comment it first, and I will show you how can we add default methods to the interface. So we can write default void print name. Okay, and we can provide the definition here. I will simply add one sysout statement. Okay, so I have written one default method here, and you can see I have provided this definition too. So now we will check this method first, and then we will try how can we provide the custom implementation. So let me remove this, and I will create a test object. Okay, t dot print name. I will save and I will run it by pressing F11. Now this is the default implementation that we have provided in the interface itself, and also you can see that we have not provided the custom implementation in the test class yet, till we are able to use the default implementation provided in the interface. And this is how the default method works. But now I want to provide my custom implementation. So what will I do? Similar to the hello method, I will override the print name method. So print name, I will override it, and let's say I will add a sysout statement. Okay, now I will clear the console and I will run this program again. Okay, now you can see that we are printing the custom implementation and it is printing the RAM. So whenever we provide the custom implementation, it will use it, and if there is no custom implementation provided in that particular class, it will always use the default implementation. And this is how the default method work. That's it for this video, and we will see the static methods in next video. Thank you.